children, today I am going to take in English grammar about adjectives. Now previously I have taken many parts of speech. So in that I have taught you noun, pronoun, verb. Now I will teach you about adjective. What is adjective? Adjective, it is a word which describes or says more about noun or pronoun. So more about noun or pronoun. Now what it says? It describes, means it is describing. What it is describing? About whom? About noun or pronoun. Now I will give you some more examples. Rita is clever than Sonal. Here clever is what? Clever is adjective. Who is clever than Sonal? Rita. So what we are saying? We are describing with whom? Clever with whom we are describing? We are describing with Rita. So Rita is clever than Sonal. Sonal is also a pronoun. Pronoun. Rita is also pronoun. Is is a helping verb. Now second one is what? Pinku is reading an interesting book. Here I will say interesting. Interesting is what? Adjective. So here interesting is what? Adjective. Now who is reading a book? Reading is what? Pinku. Pinku is reading an interesting book. So interesting is adjective. Same thing. Book is what? Book is noun. Reading. Reading is what? Reading is verb. And Pinku is what? It is proper noun. So now in these two examples, I think you have understood what is adjective. Now I will teach you about kinds. There are 5 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and last one is what? Adjective of quantity. So my next topic is kinds of adjectives. Previously I taught you about adjective. Now I am giving you the kinds of adjective. First one is what? Adjective of quality. Quality means what? Means if the cloth is also there. So what you have to do? You have to see the quality of that cloth. Here what is that? It shows the quality of person or thing. What it shows? The quality means whether the person is a good or bad. So it shows the quality of a person or thing. Thing also I told you previously, a cloth. Cloth is also a thing. So it will show you the quality. You have to see the quality. What type of cloth it is. The quality of the cloth. So here I have given you some example. A kind person. What kind of person he is? He is very kind. So kind is what? Here kind is a adjective. But what type of adjective it is? It is the quality of person. So it is kind is what? Kind is quality. Second one is what? A dirty clothes. Dirty is what? It is also adjective. But what kind of cloth it is? It is dirty. So dirty is what? It is adjective plus it is quality of adjective. So now my next topic is demonstrative adjective. Now in demonstrative adjective, what it is? It is directly, it points out. So what it points out? Now I will show you. It directly points out to something or someone. What it is pointing out to this part means you are sitting at the somewhere else. So what I will say? He is sitting there, or I will say that is a good thing. So what it is? Directly points out to something or someone. So now my example is that dress is mine. Whose that dress? That dress, why I have told that dress is mine? Because that is in the far. We are expecting it is in the far place. So we are using that. Mine. It is mine. The cloth is lying somewhere else. And I am showing that that dress is mine. Second one is what? This is my book. Book is near. So I am telling this is my book. Why? Because the book is near to me. Now my next is what? Possessive adjective. What it shows? It shows the ownership. it shows what? It shows the ownership. So, or used to express close relationship with someone or something, means the close relationship with someone or with something, that either it may be with the animal, how I am going to do with the close relationship, either it is a toy, with that also the close relationship, because toy is a thing. So now my example is, this is my sister. Whose sister she is? This is my sister, means sister is there. So the relation with sister and me. So what it is? This is my sister. And wash your hands. What I am telling? Wash your hands. Why? Because this is my hand. So I am telling you that, I am not telling that wash my hand. I am telling wash your hand. So I am telling you because why? I have a relationship with you. So I am telling you wash your hand. Fourth point is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective is what? क्या है वो? क्वेश्चन मार्क, लास्ट में एक क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव में. इसमें क्या लिखा है? इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, मतलब हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, जो फिर आपको क्या लिखता है? आप लोग आंसर लिखते हैं. तो ये क्या है? क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. विच पेन इज योर्स? यहाँ पे विच किसके लिए है? विच किसका पेन है? तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? विच किसके लिए है? सपोर्ट किसको किया है? पेन इज योर्स, योर्स को किया. तो फिर हम लोग ने क्या बोला है? विच पेन इज योर्स. सेकेंड वन इज व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, मीन्स व्हाट आर यू डूइंग. आप you are doing any kind of work. I'll tell you, I'll ask you a question that what are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? So what is what? What is also an interrogative adjective. Now here next is adjective of quantity. Quantity means what? Quantity means, see, number of books, that is also we are counting, we can count it, which is countable, we are counting. So that is called quantity. And quantity means bundle of grapes or bundle of books. So that is also a quantity. Bunch of grapes, that is also a quantity. So it tells about the number. So that we are telling about the number. So now my example is what? I have sufficient money to spend. Now sufficient means मेरे पास enough money है, वो खर्चा करने के लिए मेरे पास enough money है. तो सफिशिएंट इधर क्या हो गया? क्वांटिटी. सफिशिएंट को क्वांटिटी में दे दिया. सम पीपल थिंक दैट दे आर ग्रेट. सम पीपल कोई सोचते हैं कि वो तो बहुत बड़ा आदमी है, तो इसके लिए सम पीपल. तो सम इज व्हाट? इट इज ऑल्सो ए क्वांटिटी. सो नाउ थैंक यू वेरी मच.